Pibhati iti dvipa. How does elephant drink water? First it takes it from trunk and then pours it into the mouth. Pibhati iti dvipa. In dvipa, dvi means two. Pa is a letter. How does this story of Shravan Kumar begin? With the elephant coming to drink the water. Dvipa. That became the sin. He thought it was an elephant and hit a Muni Kumar. Dvipa, 2p, pakara, 2p. Imagine it is Slesha. Dvipa, if you take it as a word, it is elephant. This elephant came. Dvipa agatam. If you split dvipa, there are 2p. That 2p becomes papena agatam. This is 2p. Elephant became papa. How many p are in papa? 2p. That is chamatkar. Dvipa papena agatam. Kathayitum. Katha katitam. So he is telling a story. Look at this beauty. That is Samskrita. Dvipa papena. That elephant became sin for Dasharatha. Because phalam anudhavati karma. He didn't think. Alpa arabdha karma. He didn't think alpa. He didn't think. Dvipa papena agatam. Elephant came as a sin. And the story of Ramayana went. Without Shravan Kumar, there is no Putra Shoka. Without Putra Shoka, we would not have seen the beauty of Bharataji. Without Bharataji, there is no Ramayana. What if Bharata wanted to take the kingdom?